behind the scenes of the shooting the videos. Do I have a secret recipe? No, but I do have the lumpy pancake, which my wonderful collaborator who does all my videos actually said to me, and it's called the lumpy pancake because the first pancake is always a failure. It's always messy and it never works out and it doesn't taste right. And this is now my fifth round of filming maybe. And this round I was far more organised than ever before. I knew how much time it would take to get ready. I knew how I needed to turn up. I knew how I had to prepare the scripts. I sort of knew all the steps. And so I guess the learning behind that is that the first pancake, or the first time we do anything, should be really messy. It's clunky, you don't know what to expect. But the more that we do it, the more that we actually get cohesiveness, the more that that it just flows. And I feel like this has been a really sort of flowing experience. I've done how many videos? 8 videos today. So yeah.